Good morning, children. So welcome back to my class. And today we are going to start a new chapter, that is lesson 3, nervous system. Okay, the name of the chapter is nervous system. So children, I think you have to write down in the rough book. Okay, so can you see this? Can you see the board, children?
Yes.
Yes, ma'am.
Okay, so take the
Ma'am,
rough
we
book.
can write in the class notes also.
Sorry, wait. Sorry,
We
what you
can write in class notes.
see, do we have any class notes? No. We are writing, we have workbook, textbook and workbook. Then, which all I am saying you to learn the spellings, you are writing in the rough book. Am I correct?
Yes.
Yes.
Okay, so take your rough book. First, we can start the learning the name of this chapter. Okay, so everybody is making some confusion in these spellings. So it is very important. Nervous system. Name of this chapter is nervous system. Okay, so let me ask. Yes, Alvina, please read the spelling. Children, everyone should note down one time. Okay, for it, one time you can note down now. After that, I will tell you, you have to write and study that. Yes, Alvina, read the spelling properly.
Nervous.
What is that? Nervous.
Nervous.
Okay. Then
System.
what is that word?
System.
Okay. Ekraj. Ekraj, read the
Yes.
spelling of this word.
Nervous.
What is that? Nervous.
Nervous.
Okay. Once again, read the spelling.
Nervous.
What is that word?
Nervous.
Then
System.
what is that word?
System. Nervous system.
Have you noted this one in your rough book?
Yes, ma'am.
Very good. Well done, Ekraj. Well done. So, children, so nervous system, that is the name of our chapter. Very, very important. Okay. So, I heard some students are making nervous and nerves. Both are different words. Okay. First of all, you should understand both are different words. This word is the name of the organ system. And Nerves, nerves. Okay, so nerves are a part of this organ system. Part of this organ system. Nerves are a part of this organ system. Okay, so you will learn the spelling of this one after this in the next point. So these two are different, not the same. Can you see it as same, children?
No,
Can you
ma'am.
see these spellings as same?
No.
No, these are different, right? This is the name of the organ system. So here, what is about this chapter? What about this chapter? Nervous system. Just you, when I am telling you to write, you are writing. Am I correct?
Yes, ma'am.
Okay. When I tell you to stand up, you always stand up.
Yes.
Whatever the teacher is saying, you are able to do that one. Obey that one, isn't it? And if you want to see, now just now I saw Nora walked to close the door, isn't it? Walked on to the out of the room for closing it because she want to prevent the disturbances from outside. That is why she closed the door. So whatever Shabari is something writing, evangelist turning the pages of the textbook, isn't it? See, Len is doing so many actions. I don't know, his device is not stable. Len, okay. So whatever we want, we can do that. If we want to sleep, we can sleep. If we want to eat, that is also. If we want to run, that is also we can do it, isn't it? See, in muscular system, we learned if we want to walk, If we want to walk or run, what is to be done? If we want to walk or run, what has to be happened in our body if we want?
You think about it.
Ma'am,
We have to think about it. Okay. So after thinking, will it automatically move?
no, ma'am, the muscles,
Yeah, muscles.
the
Very good.
muscles will pull.
Yeah, the contraction and relaxation of the muscles that help us to walk. Am I correct? You learned it.
Yes.
Breathing, isn't it? The muscles of the diaphragm helps in the breathing. Okay, so these all work. So these all works are controlled by somebody. Do you feel it? Do you feel it, children? So,
Yes.
for example, you are learning in Dr. Raju Davis International School. Am I correct?
Yes.
So,
Yes.
there, teachers are there. Teachers of various subjects are teaching. Then, their administration is there, isn't it? How to conduct the test, how to conduct the exams, how to collect the how to collect the fees, how to distribute books, how to distribute uniforms, isn't it? These all separate departments are there. Can you follow me, children?
Yes, ma'am.
Yes. Okay, Shabari, what you are doing there? Are you checking whether everything is? Oh, no need to, no need to beautify that one. Okay, just listen. When you are beautifying these all works, you will miss what it is discussing in the class. So in the school itself, so many departments are there, isn't it? Do you feel
Yes.
that one?
Yes,
Yes.
ma'am.
Okay, but one person is there for controlling everything. Am I right?
Yes.
Okay. So, yes, Akshaj. Yes. So, Ethan, can you tell me who is that person in our school that controls everything?
Chairman.
Okay, one person is there. Under his control, that every department is working. Isn't it?
Principal.
Yes, the principal, then the teachers, then the administrations, fees department, uniform department, textbook department. These all are working according to his control. Hmm? In the same way, in our body, one system is there that controls action of all the organs. Can you tell me which is that?
Nervous
Brain.
system.
Nervous system.
Okay, one organ is there. One organ
Brain,
is there.
brain.
Brain. Isn't it? Okay, all you. I hope you all are having a well-developed brain. Am I correct?
Yes, ma'am.
That is why you are all sitting here and learning, isn't it? Okay.
Yes.
So brain is that organ that helps, that controls all the functions that is happen in our body. Yeah. See, when the brain, in the last chapter you learned, when the brain sends message to the muscles, then only
They
the
move.
muscles are
They move.
contracting and relaxing. Am I correct?
Relax.
Then only we can move. See, Nora is making movements. See how she can move because the brain sends message. So to the muscles of the neck. So she is able to move it. Without the message from the brain, we can't do anything. For example, see, you have seen in cinemas or in real life also, due to some accidents, if anything happens, damage happens to the brain, do
They
you
will
think
lose.
that person can move or he can work?
Ma'am, my grandmother had brain surgery.
Whoa, when it is done, is it recently?
Yes.
Okay, what happened? Can you tell me what happened to her?
Ma'am, I don't remember what happened, but my mother gone to her and look after in.
Okay, for looking after. Okay, so now I hope she recovered from her
She's okay
surgery.
now.
isn't it? So children, so if it is due to accidents, sometimes there may be chances of getting fractures or getting damages on the brain. So have you heard of Jagadish Sri Kumar? One actor,
Yeah.
comedian, isn't it? Very good actor. So what happened to him? Long before he happened to met with an accident. During that accident, what happened? See, some brain injury happened to him, and due to that, he lost his memory, he lost his movement, everything. I think now, due to the treatments, he is recovering from his that accident, isn't it? So that is why it is told always wear helmet during the
Bike.
during when we ride two-wheelers or bicycles also. Even nowadays, it is very important. So if your parents or your relatives, if anybody is riding bicycle or two-wheeler without using helmet, what you should do, children? Let me ask you, what you should do?
Say them to
To tell them.
the
Yes, you should not allow them to go out without wearing this helmet. See, why government is making some rule? If the government is not making any rule, people won't be bothered about it. So more and more accidents will happen, isn't it? In order to prevent that one, that is why government is making some rule. So we should obey those rules. So you are responsible for making that awareness in your family. Am I right? Huh? So you are the best person, because if you are saying that one, will your father or mother can deny? So when your Nia's mother is going for somewhere to buy something in her two-wheeler, if Nia is saying, "Ma'am, don't go."
Father drive two-wheeler, he put a helmet.
Oh, very good. Yeah.
Drive the car, he put the seat belt also.
Oh, very good. Yes, yes, we do. Yes. So, yeah, when they are going out, if they are not, maybe they forgot about it, you have to remind them. Okay? Okay. So, you can do that awareness. So, here, brain, this is what I'm saying about the importance of brain. So very important. Brain, it is very important because it controls all the body activities. I hope you understood it, isn't it? So in our body, like all the muscles form which system?
Nervous system.
Sorry, muscles.
Muscular system.
I think, okay, you have to listen properly. Okay, muscular system. All the organs that helps in breathing make which system?
Respiratory system.
Okay, in the same way, brain is the control center. Along with the brain, some other parts also are helping brain to control all the activities of our body. So that will form an organ system, isn't it?
Yes.
What is the name of that organ system?
Nervous
system.
Nervous system. That is called nervous system. So I hope you already wrote down the spelling of nervous system. So what is meant by nervous system? The organ system which controls all the body functions in our body. So organ system means group of organs. Why I am every time why I am noting this point? Because you should not confuse with the organ and organ system. Both are different. Organ system means organ group. Organ group. Okay. Okay. So wait, it is not really working. Organ system means organ group. Okay. In that group, sometimes more than 2-3 organs are included to do some specific work. That is why we are calling organ system. So here, Nainika, what is meant by nervous system?
Ma'am, we want to write.
No, children. Just learn it from here itself. Nainika.
Yes, ma'am.
Yes, can you see that one?
Yes.
Okay, so what is meant by nervous system?
The system which controls all the body parts.
Okay, that's just the organ system. Ethan, what is meant by nervous system? Unmute and read.
And the group of organs that control all the body function.
Okay, likewise also we can say. Akshaj Prem, what is meant by nervous system?
Oxygen system.
Organ system. Akshaj,
Organ system
which
that which we all the body
controls all the body functions. See, Akshar, when others are reading, listen properly. I am calling some other student. After that, I will come back to you. Angelo, what is meant by nervous system?
Ma'am, the organ system which control all the body function in our body is called the nervous system.
Okay, Shabari, what is meant by nervous system?
The organ system which control all the body function in our body is called the nervous system.
Okay, Akshar, are you here? So what is meant by nervous system, Akshar?
the organ system which control all the body function in in our body that is called nervous system.
Okay, once again, read it once again.
The organ system which control all the body function in our body is called the nervous system.
Okay, so here my question is to Krishnesh. Krishnesh, unmute Krishnesh. Only Krishnesh, I want the answer from Krishnesh. Okay.
Yes, ma'am.
Krishnesh, what is the name of the organ system that controls all the functions in our body?
Nervous system.
What it is? Say it properly.
Nervous system.
They read it properly. I think you have noted down the spelling. Am I correct? Yes or no?
No, ma'am.
No. Why it is not noted? Huh? So write it. Asin. After that I will come. Asin, what is the name of the organ system that controls all the functions in our body?
Nervous system.
Krishnesh, how to pronounce that word?
Nervous system.
Nervous system. Okay, nervous system. Aiden Joseph, read. Tell me the spelling of nervous system. Krishnesh, hear it properly. N-U. Is it N-U?
Ma'am, can Payal say?
Wait, Payal. See that is what I told you to write, Aiden. N-U. You were late. So take those who have not noted the spelling. Now itself you have to note it. Leonardo, please read it.
Nervous.
What is that word? Nervous.
Nervous.
Nervous system. Okay, Krishnesh, read the spelling.
Nervous.
What is that word?
Nervous system.
Then system spelling.
SYS. SYSTEM.
Okay, Aiden, have you noted it? Aiden. Okay, so this is the spelling of nervous system and which controls all the body functions in our body. So next one. In this, wait. 1 minute. 1 minute, children.
And we should write this.
No. So here, different parts of the nervous system. We are going to discuss about the different parts of nervous system. See, children, so from this, no need to write down which all I am saying, that is only to write. See, from the class you can learn, isn't it? When I am asking to other students, you all can learn it, drill it. Okay, you are getting enough time. Am I correct? Are you getting enough time? So no need to learn after this. Okay, just to read it after the class. So different parts of nervous system. First of all, it is the brain. You all know, isn't it? Then the spinal cord. Then the nerves. Okay, so children, note down the spelling of brain. Hasib, read the spelling of brain.
Brain.
Okay, Alkain Ajay, read the spelling of spinal cord. That also you need to write. First, Algan.
SPINALCORD.
Okay, Niranjan, please read the spelling of spinal cord.
What we have to write?
Yes, brain spelling, spinal cord spelling, then the nerves. Niranjan, read the spelling of spinal cord.
SPINAL.
What is that word? SPINAL.
Spinal.
Okay, so next word.
CORD.
What is that word?
Cord.
So, together, how we can call that word?
Spinal cord.
Spinal cord. Okay, nerves. Noel, read the spelling of nerves.
NERVES.
Okay, nerves. Nerve, N-E-R-V-E. Nerve is singular. N-E-R-V-E-S. Nerves is plural. Okay, understood? So these are the main parts of nervous system: the brain, the spinal cord, and the nerves. Here I am saying some students are
Ma'am,
Ma'am. It is gone. Ma'am.
ma'am, I cannot hear you.
Power failure.
Ma'am.
Power failure. No power failure.
Ma'am, can please wait. Stop the recording. Stop the recording.
Somi is the host.
So we were discussing about the parts of nervous system, isn't it? So which are the parts? Binu, which are the main parts of nervous system?
Brain, spinal cord, nerves.
Which one? That is why I told how to read, how to pronounce that one.
Nerves.
Yes, very good. Nerves. Okay. So now, which are the parts or different parts of nervous system?
Brain, spinal cord,
Spinal cord. After that,
nerves.
nerves. Okay. So next,
Nerves.
yes, Payal, which are the different parts of nervous system?
The brain, spinal cord,
Hmm.
nerves.
Okay, I hope you all had noted down the spellings of brain, spinal cord, and the nerves. Isn't it? Nerves. Next day, I will take a spelling test. Okay, so next one. Yes, Delna, which are the different parts of nervous system?
This chapter spelling test.
Yes, Delna, which are the different parts of nervous system?
What the question?
Which are the different parts of nervous system?
Brain,
Hmm. Why? What happened, Dalna? Why? You are not audible. Huh? So, Ridu, which are the different parts of nervous system? Fast.
Yes, ma'am. Brain, spinal cord, nerve.
Okay. Len, what is the name of the system, organ system that controls all the functions in our body? Len,
Yes, ma'am. Brain.
is it brain, organ system?
Nervous system.
Hmm. So, Leon, Leon, Leon. Not possible to get it. Okay.
Yes, ma'am.
Okay. So, tell me which are the parts of nervous system? Tonio, which are the different parts of nervous system?
Brain, spinal cord,
Mm.
nerves.
Okay, nerves. Say the spelling of nerves, Tonio.
N, brain, E, R,
Mm.
V, E, S.
Okay, why can't you say it without looking? Who can say the spelling of nerves without seeing? Who can? Yes, Evangel.
Ma'am, Alvina can say.
Okay, okay, okay.
Ma'am,
Asin, Asin, tell me the spelling of nerves.
N, E, R, V, O, U, S.
Oh, that is the spelling of nerves.
Ma'am, Akshay.
Huh? Akshar, yes, Akshar. Tell me the spelling of nerves.
Nerves.
Nerves. Which is that word, Akshar?
Nerves.
Okay. Is it organ system or part of an organ system, Akshar?
An organ
Very
system.
good, Akshar. Very good. Okay, well done. Asin, what is the spelling of nerves? Asin left. Okay.
Ma'am, can I-
Alvina. Alvina, what is the spelling of nerves?
Nerves.
Okay, so here I told you should
Ma'am,
be
can I
very
repeat?
thorough with this spelling. This is a part of an organ system and this is the name of the organ system. If anybody is making any correction in this one, any mistake in this one, I will give them this one, what it is 10 times or how 20 times I will tell them to write and stick. Okay, imposition. Okay. Yes, Nora.
Are those yellow colored wire thingies the nerve?
Nerves. Yes, 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 yes. That is what I am going to explain it. Okay, so brain, I think no need to explain much about it. And spinal cord. See, can you see connecting from the lower part of the brain? You can see a pipe-like structure, isn't it? Pipe-like
Spinal-
structure.
Yes, ma'am.
That is called
Spinal
spinal
cord.
cord. That is called
Spinal
spinal cord. Okay. And see
My
from the
mother
spinal
told
cord,
me.
you can see yellow wire-like structures. Thin
Yes.
wire-like yellow-colored structures. They are the nerves. Okay. So in the next class, we will learn in detail about brain, then the spinal cord, then the nerves. Okay, their function, these all things. I hope you understood this much introduction. Learn it. Okay, properly you have to learn it. And in the next class,
Ma'am.
I will take, in the next class, I will take a spelling test. Also.
Yes.
Okay.
Nervous system